Hello everyone, it's Michael. Welcome back to my channel, The World of Michael Trent. Today I wanted to do a quick album share with you of a mini album that I recently completed using a really cool and simple tutorial from Your Book of Memories and a really cool paper pad from Paper House Productions. This mini album, this tutorial from Francis Long, it's what I love about this, even though I've made a lot of books in my time, I like sometimes to just follow a simple tutorial made by someone else because I don't have to do the thinking. I can just cut, glue, and finish. If you are new to mini albums or you want to get started making mini albums, I really recommend this Beginners Mini Album version 2. I think she also has a version 1. Both are super easy to complete in less than a day. If you're more seasoned, you can make this album maybe 2 or 3 in one day. I've recently made a baby boy album and a baby girl album. These will be future videos. But this one, I wanted to push myself out of my comfort zone. I've had this paper pad from Paper House Productions. It's called Field Study. I picked it up a while ago because I loved these masculine colors, the browns, the greens. It's great for like a field study. It's great for a hiker. It's great for someone who loves the outdoors. And most of the time, being a photographer, I really love 4x6 photos. So this book focuses only on 4x6 photos. So let me take you through this. The book measures about, I think it's a little less than 6 by 8¼ by 2 inches. This book holds just on the photo mats 33 4x6 photos, not including the journaling cards and the extra space in the pockets. So I'll take you through. I used this design, very cool binoculars, the knife, the map. This is one of the stickers from the sticker page. This is one of the stickers from the sticker page. I cut it down to use it as a border to cover where the 2 pieces of paper connected. I have a basic black ribbon closure. You open this up. This I'll explain later. So on this side, you have space for a 4x6 photo, and I used one of the stickers here to keep this closed. In the tutorial, Frances goes through and explains how she uses a belly band to keep the book closed, but I didn't want to use a belly band here because I really didn't want to cover up this design. And if someone's going to take this hiking or if they're going to throw it into a bag, I didn't want the belly band to get caught up on anything. So you open up on this side, you have the 4x6 photos. On the inside here, this is one of the journaling cards. All the journaling cards I left blank on the back so that if the recipient wants to write, they can. And then there's another 4x6 spot here for to call. And what I did, I love symmetry. So this book, the right side and the left side, this tree design is one of the 12x12 designs in the paper pack. And not being a scrapbooker, I was like, how am I going to use this? I mean, the whole sheet is basically this photograph of these trees in a forest. So that's why I cut it down so that each side balances with each other. This side also 2 spots for 4x6, and then I used 2 of the other journaling cards here to make that, and this also is just closure. Continuing on, this page I changed up from the tutorial. Frances does something else with this page, but I decided to make a pocket here, and then I made a tag for 2 more 4x6 photos that just slips in here. And then this was one of the journaling cards, and I thought, oh my God, that's so cool to be able to write. So I made this little flip out thing for 3 more photos. I didn't intend to stamp the place photo here. image. I meant to leave this blank so that the recipient can write in this if they want to continue here, but I forgot about that. So if I remake this book, I will leave the inside blank and maybe just a photo on the back so that they can continue writing as if they were out in nature writing. Here is another pocket here for 2 more 4x6 photos. And I included another journaling card here of this beautiful butterfly. And that's what I mean. This book has a lot of pockets, so the recipient can add more photos in here, or notes, or ephemera, or something. Flipping over, there's a 4x6 photo, another 4x6 photo here. The stickers that I used, they're not adhered to the photo mat, so this way when you adhere your photo down, the photo slips underneath the sticker spot. Flipping over another photo here, and this is another sticker, and the photo slips right under. For this, I used, this is a pocket for 4x6 photos. In the tutorial, Francis shows how to use it like this, but to get more mileage out of the book, I decided to take one of the journaling cards and use that as a way to keep the pocket closed. And again, this is looking at beauty in the world is the first step of purifying the mind by Amit Ray. Perfect to go with this themed paper. Flipping over another sticker here, 2 more photo mats, this side also. And here is another one. I have 4 spots for 4 4x6 photos here. And I used another journaling card here as the closure. So there's no magnets. I just love this idea of, and they can fit another photo in here if they wanted to, like this, okay? And then on this side, another photo here, and then we already showed this side. So I do like the, you know, there is some symmetry here. I try to, where is it? So like this mimics this. This mimics the wood here. So there is some balance to this book. Also, this is another journaling card that I didn't use in the book, but I turned it into a card so that I can write, or whoever purchases the book can write a letter or a note to the recipient, and they can just keep it here in the book. As a bonus, my friend Debra has a blog. It's called meticulosity.blogspot.com. She is a card maker. She's also on the design team for Paper House Productions, and she offers a 20% discount on all of the Paper House Production products on their website. And she spoke to the good folks over at Paper House Production to see if I can share the discount with you guys, and I was told I can. So if you want to get 20% off anything in Paper House on their website, the code is PH for Paper House, 20 for 20%, and then Debra, D-E-B-R-A for Debra. I will have the link below also. This paper is still being sold by Paper House, and I believe it's on sale at the moment. So I will leave a link for the paper. I will leave a link for Paper House. I'll leave a link for Debra. I have a link for Your Book of Memories. Everything is below. And I hope you enjoyed this album. Let me know. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you've used this paper pad. You get 48 sheets, 3 of each design. You could easily, using this tutorial, make 3 of these books. Even with the excess, you can probably make a 4th or maybe a 5th book. So you get a lot of bang for your buck using this tutorial and this paper pack. Anyway, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell to be notified when I have another video coming up. And I'd love to hear from you guys. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I will be back soon with another video. Take care, everyone.